In this video, I will show you how to show desktop icons in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a few different methods I'm going to show you on how to show your desktop icons. To start with, what you're going to want to do on your desktop is right click onto a blank space to bring up this menu, hover over view on this menu that comes up, and then you're going to see in this submenu an option to show desktop icons. So if you want to see your desktop icons, maybe you've accidentally hidden them, you give that a click and you're going to see all your desktop icons. Now, another thing you can do is if you actually right click on a blank space of your desktop and on this menu you want to come and click onto personalize, then what you want to do on the window that loads through is scroll down until you see themes, just here, give that a click, and then what you can do is scroll down a bit until you see under related settings a option called desktop icon settings. Now, if you actually give this a click, this is going to show some more icons which you can add to your desktop. For example, this PC, your recycle bin, and things like that. So you can tick the boxes for the ones that you want to display, and then once you've done that, click apply at the bottom and OK, and that's going to add these icons to your desktop. For example, this PC and the recycle bin. Finally, if there's any apps that you want to add a desktop shortcut for, like a desktop icon, to make it easier to access, then all you want to do is come down to your taskbar, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then come up to the top right hand corner and click onto it all to see all your apps. Then all you need to do is find the app that you want to add a desktop icon for. For example, if we wanted to add this for our calculator, what I would do is hold down my left mouse button and drag this simply onto my desktop. As you can see, this is going to create a desktop icon shortcut, which we can double click, and that's going to automatically load up this application rather than searching for it on our PC. So that is how to show desktop icons in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.